I order this every year and I absolutely love it. It is the Good Housekeeping 2023. It's a dated planner, but the best part is it has like themes for each season and for each month. So it's a little confusing because this is $16 on Amazon with free shipping if you have Amazon Prime, or it's $10 on their website with the subscription, but a subscription for what? I have no idea. I guess for getting this planner each year. And then they have all these different bundled options where you also get the planner. So if you think like Good Housekeeping website content is something you want, then it might be a good deal. But here we go. So this has a nice detachable bookmark. Planning ahead allows you to live in the moment. So very pretty. So we have live life beautifully. And what I like too about this is it is full color. Now the pages are extremely thin and cheap. So you can see through, there's like ghosting. I don't know if you can see with the light, but there's ghosting on the pages. And when I write in it, I do see it bleeds through on the other side. So that is unfortunate, but I think that's how they keep it so low cost. When you think about it, it's very affordable. So we have 2023 at a glance, and then just the first and last weeks of the years before and the year after. Now, this did go on sale in September, which is why I believe they included all of these at a glance months from before. And then here we have the actual real intro, a checklist for a daily, and then a weekly checklist, and then we have a monthly checklist, as well as a seasonal. So we get a winter, we get a spring, we get a summer, we get a fall, and then we jump right into winter. So I really just love the theme and how there's just tons of stuff going on. So gain by giving back. Here's how to get the most of adding a few more good deeds to your schedule. Remember your purpose. So bring the outdoors in. So it very much does feel like a magazine. And then we have enjoy an indoor date night, share a sweet moment. So they do include some recipes, not a lot, so it's not overwhelming. A waffle sandwich cookie, which sounds actually really good. Cream cheese, butter, sugar. Who would not want all of that? So now we have January at a glance. It's a 2-page spread. We have over here, prioritize your health. We have the month before, the month after. And then, oh, that's cute. Will you marry me? The moment of change is the only poem. I would think that might be in February, but whatever. So we have a weekday spread. Now the weekday spread, I'm definitely not a fan of. It is like, I don't know why. I just don't like the horizontal layout, but that's okay. Again, I think the emphasis is more on the magazine, and then for you just to jot a few things down for that actual week. And then over here, we have get a handle on your sweet tooth. And then we have some dates over here, beat the blues, obviously because it's probably cold and they kind of know. I also like that the week that it's focusing on is darker in the month than the rest of the week, so you know exactly where you stand in that month. Try a DIY spa night, very cute. And then we jump right into February, 2-month at a glance. Same thing, has a new theme over here, and the month before and the month after at a glance. Little quote over here, and then we can see which week it's focusing on. And again, just some more magazine articles. So definitely 100% just love this. And then a recipe that is like not even really a recipe, chocolate heart cake. Bake a square in 1 round cake and then cut the round cake in half. So it's basically just saying, here's how to kind of make a heart-shaped thing and like squish it together. But I would think it'd be easier just to buy a pan that's shaped like a heart. And then over here we have be a better friend, sit with silence, listen closely, give and take. And then we have March at a glance, and again, a new theme. And I do like that they also add in holidays and different religious things. They're kind of just guessing, right? Ramadan, time light savings, St. Patrick's Day. We start out again. It looks like it kind of does a rinse and repeat. So we have a quote, and then we have just another like quick article, and then we have, I would think it'd be a recipe, but it looks like the other month it just has some food suggestions without being like a full-blown recipe because it doesn't have that much space. And now, because we're moving into another quarter, we're moving into spring. So now we have a 2-page spread for spring, tidying up your space, camouflaging with colors, bathroom, storage fixes. We have beeswax traps. I don't even know what that is, but, and then we have a recipe. And then we jump right into April and we kind of do that rinse and repeat again. And we, again, had the quote. We have just some cute advice here. I really just like, I think it's the photos. And you'll notice there's like really nothing special about the photos, but they all kind of have that like same look and feel. Some of them have people on them, some of them don't, but they're colorful, they're bright. It's just, like I said, looking through a magazine, which is what they do. So that makes sense. Decorative pin board. Upgrading your cookware. I wish. That is so expensive. Don't do that. Make something sweet, roasted strawberries brie. So again, not a full-blown recipe, just kind of like a mini sort of recipe or direction on how to, I guess, stage food. Reclaim your problem space. Another quote. We have some makeup, clean your makeup brushes, decluttering done right. And then we have organize your office. And we jump right into another season. These are probably my favorite, these like magazine quarterly spreads. Get ready for life outdoors, small space oasis, refresh your backyard furniture, grilling, and then we have a recipe. So it looks like that is probably the end of that section. I was right. And we jump right into another 2-page spread. And then and I didn't even tell you what this one, celebrate your personal style, another quote. And then find heels that won't hurt your feet. Yeah, good luck. Mostly like when I wear wedges, it's like walking on a tight wire. I always like roll out my ankle. Don't leave home without SPF. Lighten your hair with honey. I mean, maybe. I feel like once I put honey in my hair, it would just be like impossible to rinse out. Start your day with the smoothie. So again, simple and easy. We have August, seek adventure. We have a quote. We have a road trip. That sounds like a nightmare. I'm definitely not a road trip person or camping. Pack a picnic. That does look cute. And then zucchini tots. Okay, so this is a recipe. Pretty simple again. And then we have September. Pick your priorities. We have a quote. We have a cleaning competition. Oh, for children. Okay. Power wash outdoor surfaces. And we have enjoy a burst of flavor, heirloom tomato salad. That actually looks really good. I don't know that I want an entire salad of tomatoes, but for some reason, the colors in here make it look like it's going to be amazing. Inspiring ways to relax this fall. Again, my favorite and I think this is the last seasonal spread we get. Unfeast, harvest the feast under the stars, dress the table, cozy fall colors, stay stylish and suede. And we have a recipe. So this is like this is like pretty involved. This is a 2-page spread for the recipe. Blackberry pie, October, craft new memories. All right, so it's getting colder, so maybe they think you're gonna stay inside. We got a quote on gratitude, purge your closets. There's a lot of focus in here on decluttering and organizing. Say hello to cabbage. That does look good. No recipe, just kind of like suggestions. Give your pumpkin a flower crown. Oh, well, that's interesting. And then we have host a family dinner. So, this is a recipe. Well, this is pretty. It's a stew. You just throw it all in a pot, it sounds like. And then we have November, which is give thanks. Big surprise. And then we have a quote. Prioritizing family time, setting the perfect table. We have practice the art of savoring. We have December about kindness. And, oops, I skipped a page. Quotes. And then, oh, so cute. It's a puppy. All right. Choose gifts that give back. Oh, so like maybe do donations. Fudge, white chocolate, pistachio, and cranberry fudge. That actually does not sound appealing to eat in any way. I mean, it looks pretty, but I would opt for probably just plain milk chocolate with caramel. Reuse your ribbons. And oh, we're almost done. And then say thank you. And we're done. That's the end. Oh, look at that. How perfect was that? The year 2023 ends on a Sunday on the 31st. Thank you for purchasing the Good Housekeeping 2023 Live Life Beautifully Planner. 20% off at your store. And that is it. So it looks like for photo credits, they must have bought all of these photos. I mean, they are a magazine, so it probably wouldn't be that hard to just use some stuff that they had laying around. So that is the Live Beautifully 2023 planner. And I have reviewed the 2022 and the 2021, and they're all amazing.